Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is the second video about using the control and a number. And in the previous video, we hit the 8 key, and then they selected all the turquoise now, which are now make them yellow. But if you want to add one of these reds to that group, you can hold down the control button and select that number 8. So select it, hold down the Alt button and hit the 8. Now when we hit the number 8, that one we just selected, it turned blue too. So let's do that one more time. Let's turn them turquoise. And let's make this one red. So I'm gonna select it, hold down the Alt plus the 8, and it added it to that group. Now I'm gonna hit the 8 and make them green, and you can see it added that one. And another little bit of information, let's say you want to zoom in on just, let's say you have a bunch all around the board. Well, if you hit the 8 button twice, the number 8, it zooms in on the items that you're in the group of 8. That's pretty cool. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.